Alright friends, we are on Serenade of the Seas. We have the balcony room 9522. And we are going to do a little room tour. So I've never been on Royal Caribbean. This is my very first cruise with them. I've typically gone on Carnival. Just to show you guys the storage space. Don't mind all of our stuff, we're just getting settled in. But plenty of closet space, which is nice. And I do actually really like this vanity. Hi guys. So this is really nice. I don't know if one is meant to be warm and light, but this is good for doing makeup and stuff. I really wanted a balcony room, so here is another full-length mirror, which is good. They have a little couch here. I got my cute little bags, little Mickey Mouse. And then what's kind of cool about this is you have that divider in between, so you can actually chill here. There's the TV, so you could just like watch TV. And then here's the bed. We're in Tampa right now, leaving out of Tampa. This is the extra conjoining rooms. And it was raining earlier here, but look how nice this room is, you guys. I have, I'm gonna show more around. Here is the balcony. It's all wet right now from the rain in Tampa. We're right in Channel Side here. And this Carnival Paradise, oh, they're leaving right now. Carnival Paradise is going right now. Awesome. So this is the balcony. And we are actually on the 9th floor. So pretty high up here, as you can see. But I was super excited for this opportunity, and I'm really excited to go on this cruise to Cozumel, Mexico, and back. This one is a 4-night cruise. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this little room tour. I'm gonna be filming other parts of the ship, so I'll be uploading more content. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram at Glambabydoll, 0 in the doll. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Glambabydoll. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, I almost forgot. How can I forget the baño? This part is really cool. It's like a capsule. Never seen anything like that. Sorry, I almost forgot about this. But yeah, that's kind of cool. And there's plenty of good lighting in here too to do your makeup or whatever. Not many toiletries, so I'm very glad I brought my own. There's like a bar of soap. And they have this shampoo that doubles, I guess, so some little hooks there. And another thing too, I think this is a trundle bed that comes down, but this one is actually like wonky. I was really worried it was actually a jar, but my mom tried to fix it, so hopefully it's okay now. Don't want it crashing down on us on the bed. Alright guys, well thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.